Yep, it's that time of year when the weather starts getting colder and your tire pressure starts dropping. When that happens, it's time to make sure you correct it and get your tire pressure up where it needs to be.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Shifts. My name is Jason, and today we're back with our 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. And today it's going to be a bit of a short video, but I wanted to take this opportunity with the weather dropping in temperature. I know I don't have a jacket on right now. We're having a warm day today, but with the weather dropping in temperature, tire pressures tend to drop. And I thought this was a great opportunity. As you guys just saw, the dash is all lit up because our tire pressure has dropped a few pounds. So we're going to pull out that LASFIT air pump and throw it on here and see how long it takes to bring these tires, which being a bigger tire on this vehicle and a truck tire, take more PSI. So they should be at 40 PSI and they've dropped down to a range of 38, 36 PSI. So we're going to grab that LASFIT air pump, throw it on here, and see how long it takes to pump up all 4 tires, and if that pump can get it done for us. So let's go grab it and get this done. All right, everyone, I've got the LASFIT air pump for trucks. We're going to go ahead and take our valve cover off here. And I've already got the hose connected with the adapter on there. And we're going to turn on the pump. Hold the button for 3 seconds, and then we're going to increase our PSI to 40. And then we're going to go ahead and connect this up and start it up. It's going to make a bit of noise, so I will switch this over to Timelapse for you guys. And I will try and record this on my watch so we can time it. And after the time lapse, I can tell you how long it took to bring each one of these tires up to 40 pounds of PSI. So we zeroed out the timer. Let's go ahead and hit the start button on this and we'll start the timer. And there we go. So I know this is loud, so we're going to go ahead and switch this over to our time lapse. So there you guys go. In just over 7 minutes and 7 seconds, we were able to use the LASFIT air pump for trucks to pump up all 4 of these tires. And that includes with me moving from tire to tire, taking the cap on and off, turning this on and off, and moving the camera as you saw. Hopefully that time lapse that I did picked all of that up. I'm not sure. I'm not very good with time lapse, but if it did, you'll see just how efficient this pump was. It's a little bit warm on the connectors, but it powered right through it without a problem. So even these big high PSI tires on trucks, this little dual cylinder is a champ, and it got the job done. I'm still sticking by this product. It's great. Use my discount code. I got it down in the description. Again, it's Quick Shifts. If you put that in the code section on LASFIT, you'll get 20% off. Great idea. This is a great gift for your husband, for anybody. You guys got to get one of these. This is good stuff, guys. Thanks for checking us out. We'll catch you again later.